Have you ever thought of a stylish and simple human wear and go wig?
This hair is all shade of beauty and elegance. This is giving. This looks so natural.
And you don't have to go through any hassle to install it. It is 3-in-1 half wig wear and go with clip-in and drawstring. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this amazing hair from Eula. In case you don't know Eula hair, Eula is a brand that specializes in providing wide range of high quality wigs and hair extensions. Irrespective of your hair texture or color, you will sure find something on their website that will fit your hair. So I just reviewed the whole package. That is everything that comes in the package. And here is the hair, this gorgeous 3-in-1 half wig with clip-ins, band and drawstring. No glue is needed to install this wig. It is human wig. You just wear and go. You can see the volume of this hair is about 200% density. It is so full. And here is my 4C natural hair. I'm going to show you how to install this 3-in-1 clip-in wear and go. And I'm gonna be styling it into cornrows. This wig is very easy to install, so you can style your hair into whatever style you feel is okay with you. There is no particular style, but I'm just gonna cornrow my hair because I feel this wig will look so well. I mean, so good with front cornrows. Alright everyone, I'm done cornrowing my hair and I am installing the 3-in-1 clip-in wear and go. It is very easy. I just put it on and then clipped it down. Everyone, this hair is so beautiful. No hassle, no stress. It is simply easy. This hair is tangle free and you can reuse it multiple times. You can also wash it and hair dry it, and it's gonna still maintain its texture. Honestly, this hair is awesome. You can do many things with this hair. It is that awesome. And I love the fact that it is easy to put on for busy days and busy mamas. So right here, I am just applying hair conditioner to redefine the curls, and you can see me running my fingers through the hair. There is no obstruction at all. It is that tangle free. It is soft and bouncy. You can see how I am moving and shaking my hair. And I also brought out 2 bangs in front. Everyone, this hair is awesome. I love it. I love it so much. And I'm gonna leave the link to purchasing this hair on the description of this video. Head over to their website to get this hair or something different. They have varieties of hair you can pick from. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share with someone who might need this hair, and until we see you again next time, bye.